Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make one of our favorite breakfast recipes, my breakfast egg muffins. These are an easy make-ahead breakfast for the week, perfect for breakfast on the go and easy to meal prep. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, add 1 pound of sausage of your choice and cook until the sausage is browned. It should take about 4 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to add in 1 red bell pepper that I diced up and going to saute for a few minutes until the pepper is tender. You can use any bell pepper of your choice. I like using a red bell pepper for color and flavor. Then remove from the heat and place aside. Now for the eggs. I have 12 eggs in a large 4-cup measuring cup. I find that it's much easier to use a measuring cup versus a bowl because it's easy to pour the egg mixture into the muffin pan. Then I'm going to season with half a teaspoon of salt and garlic powder and half a teaspoon of pepper and whisk together until light and fluffy. Now in my 12-cup muffin pan that I sprayed with nonstick spray, I'm going to fill each cup with the sausage mixture. I like to fill them about halfway full. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Then I like to add some green onions that I chopped up. Now it's time to pour the egg mixture into each muffin cup and try to be careful to not spill. Then I like to sprinkle some shredded cheese on top. You're gonna bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the tops are completely set, and let cool for a few minutes. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!